Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix text-to-speech on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow up all the steps properly. First of all, open up your Play Store and make sure that your TikTok is updated so that the text-to-speech error gets solved by itself. Then open up your TikTok and you can see that I'm at the profile tab of the application. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom of the page to upload any video to use text-to-speech. Then I'll record a video of a couple of seconds. Now at the right side corner, you will be able to notice text icon. Tap on it and text insertion box will show up. After that, add or type in the text you want and tap on done at the top right corner. You can also change the placing by text by holding and dragging it. To use text-to-speech feature, simply single tap on the text and three options will appear. Now select the first option saying text-to-speech. After that, let the application take its time to load. After loading, the text-to-speech feature will start working and you will start hearing the narration. That's how you can fix text-to-speech on TikTok. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.